Mecca, Saudi Arabia, August 4, 2024.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
Bad weather in the last few days has hit many areas in Saudi Arabia. After previously being hit by floods, Saudi Arabia is now being hit by a storm in the holy cities of Mecca, al-Mukarramah and Medina. The local government has appealed to civilians to remain careful when doing activities outside the home.
صف غزير جدا. والله ربع توقفنا ما شاء الله وقفنا من قوة الصف ما شاء الله.
In several video recordings, the rain accompanied by the storm was seen falling very heavily so that it looked scary. Many vehicles on the road reduced their speed until some stopped to pull over. The National Meteorological Center also issued a red warning in the holy city of Mecca. The center explained that the weather conditions continued until 2300 hours and were accompanied by a number of accompanying phenomena, namely high-speed winds, limited horizontal visibility, hail, heavy rain, and lightning. In addition, the National Meteorological Center predicts that weather conditions in various regions of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are still open to the possibility of moderate to heavy thunderstorms, and will cause heavy rain accompanied by active winds that cause storms in several areas of Najran, Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, and Mecca, extending to Medina. On the other hand, the maximum temperature remains high and is accompanied by active winds that cause dust in some eastern regions. In today's weather report, Saturday, the National Meteorological Center predicted that moderate to heavy thunderstorms will continue to occur, resulting in heavy rain accompanied by active winds that cause dust and hail in parts of Najran, Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, and Mecca al-Mukarramah, extending to the Medina Plateau, while the maximum temperatures remain high, accompanied by active winds that cause dust and hail in parts of the eastern regions. The report indicated that the movement of surface winds in the Red Sea is heading from southwest to northwest at a speed of 15 to 35 km per hour, reaching more than 50 km per hour, with the formation of rain clouds in the southern and central parts, and the wave height is half a meter to 1.5 meters, reaching a height of 2.5 meters in the southern and central parts accompanied by rain clouds. The sea conditions are light to moderate. The waves reach wavy in the southern and central parts accompanied by thunderstorm clouds, while the movement of surface winds in the Arabian Gulf is northwest to north at a speed of 20 to 40 km per hour, and the wave height the water level ranges from 1 to 2 meters, and the sea conditions are light to moderate.
تصوير اخوكم سناب المطر، السيول على اولها.
Just for information, Saudi Arabia is indeed hit by a lot of unpredictable weather. Previously, sandstorms also hit and caused chaos in Saudi Arabia, and now their intensity has begun to decrease. Therefore, the executive director of the Regional Center for Dust Storms, Jaman al-Qahtani, confirmed that the decrease in the occurrence of sandstorms was due to several things, including rainfall in the right amount and at the right time. To develop vegetation cover, environmental conservation efforts by related parties, and the kingdom's nature reserves, which play a major role in regulating the grazing process and preserving vegetation cover. Al-Qahtani pointed out that the ambitious and unique Saudi Green Initiative, which aims to plant about 10 billion trees in the kingdom, this contributes to reducing sandstorms.